Hey guys, it's Crazy Coupons. Welcome back to my channel and happy Friday, everyone. So you guys know what that means. We're going to go over 6 5 off $25 scenarios for this Saturday at Dollar General, and one is as low as $1.20 out of pocket. So before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, please consider doing so. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up button. It's a free way that you can help my channel grow. And as always, if you have any questions, comments, deals you want to share, or if you just want to say hello, I love hearing from you guys, so please leave me a comment down below before you go. And also take a minute and share this video with somebody that you know so that they can in on these deals as well. Alright guys, let's jump right in. Alright guys, so for anyone who is new to couponing at Dollar General, please keep in mind that digital coupons are a one-time use only per account. Any glitches that are going on can end at any time, so it's very important that you scan each item in your app under the list feature to make sure that the digital coupons do attach. And also you want to scan each item to price check because prices do vary from store to store. And here's how I go about checking out on Saturday when I do my 5 off $25 scenarios. So first, I'll have the cashier ring up all of my items. Then you want to verify that your subtotal is $25 or more, and that is before taxes. So if your store has a newer keypad, you will have to ask the cashier what your subtotal is. If your store still has the older keypad, the subtotal will show up on the screen. Then I'll type in my phone number and I'll wait for all of my digital coupons to come off. Again, if you have the older keypad, it will show you which digital coupons have applied. Then if I have any paper coupons, I will hand those over last. Always keep in mind, if your subtotal isn't what you expect it to be, you can void the transaction and try again because all of the digital coupons will go directly back onto your account, and any paper coupons that you've handed over will still work because the transaction was never completed. Now, if you need more ideas for your 5 off $25 scenarios, go and check out my previous video. I'm going to leave that linked in a pinned comment down below. There are a ton of awesome deals to take advantage of this week at Dollar General, plus a ton of new awesome coupon matchups. Alright guys, so for this first scenario, I kind of have an alternative version that we're going to talk about in just a second. But for this first one, you want to pick up 3 of the General Mills cereals that are on sale for $6. Now, I know I have written here the Cheerios Oat Crunch, and you'll see why in just a second. But for this first one, you can definitely mix and match and just pick up 3 of any of the General Mills cereals that are included in that sale. Then you want to pick up 4 of the Powerades for $3, 3 of the Hamburger Helpers, they are on sale this week, 3 for $3. 2 of the Clover Valley 24 counts of water, they are on sale 2 for $5. 1 of the Febreze plugins for $3. 1 of the Big Simply Soleil razors for $3.30. 1 of the Folgers singles 7 count for $1, and 1 Advil 6 count for $1. Your subtotal will be $25.30. And here are the coupons that you're going to need for this scenario. And here is your list of coupons. You want to make sure you have your 5 off 25, the 1 off 2 General Mills cereal, the buy 3 get 1 free Powerade, the 3 off 1 Febreze plug-in, the 1 off 1 Folgers, the 2 off 1 Advil, and the 3 off 1 Bic razors. Your subtotal after coupons will be $9.55 for 16 items, or just 59 cents each. Now, I ran into Dollar General just to pick up a couple of quick things, and I noticed that there was 1 off 1 Peelies on the Cheerios Oat Crunch, and like I said, these are on sale this week, 3 for $6. So here's just kind of a daily deal. If you pick up 3 of the Cheerios Oat Crunch, use 3 of these Peelies, and that will leave you paying just $1 each. Moving on into the alternative way that you can do this first scenario, you want to pick up all of the same items. Your subtotal is still going to be $25.30. And here are the coupons that you're going to need for this scenario. And here is the list of coupons. So, of course, you're going to need your 5 off 25, 3 of the 1 off 1 Cheerios Peelies, the buy 3 get 1 free Powerade, the 3 off 1 Febreze plug-in, the 1 off 1 Folgers, and the 2 off 1 Advil, and the 3 off 1 Bic razor. Your subtotal after coupons will be $7.55 for 16 items, or just 47 cents each. Now, I do want to say, if you've already clipped that 1 off 2 General Mills cereal coupon to your account, that may kind of mess it up, but you can still use that 1 off 2, and then you can use 1 of those 1 off 1 Peelies. So that would make your subtotal after coupons $8.55 for 16 items, which is still a great deal. Alright guys, so for this second scenario, you want to pick up 2 of the Dawn 20.6 ounce dish liquids. They are on sale this week, 2 for $6. 2 of the Mr. Clean Magic Eraser 3 counts. They are on sale, 2 for $5. 1 of the Febreze plugins for $3. 2 of the Rexall Petroleum jellies for $5. one of the Centrum Gummies for $6.30, and one of the Advil 6-count for $1. Your subtotal will be $26.30. And here are the coupons that you're going to need for this scenario. And here is your list of coupons. So, of course, you want to make sure you have your 5 off 25, the 50 cents off 1 Dawn dish soap, the 2 off 2 Mr. Clean Magic Erasers. Sorry, that is a typo there, but it is a 2 off 2 coupon. The 3 off 1 Febreze plug-in, the buy one get one free Rexall Petroleum jelly, the 4.50 off 1 Centrum vitamins, and the 2 off 1 Advil. Your subtotal after coupons will be $5.80 for 9 items, or just 64 cents each. And moving on into scenario number 3, you want to pick up 2 of the Herbal Essences Dry Shampoo Travel Size for $4, 2 of the Garnier Fructis Shampoos or Conditioners for $6, 2 of the Garnier Whole Blends Shampoos or Conditioners for $7, 2 of the Colgate 3-count toothbrushes for $5.50, and 1 of the Big Simply Soleil razors for $3.30. Your subtotal will be $25.80. And here are the coupons that you're going to need for this scenario. And here is your list of coupons. Of course, you want to make sure you have your 5 off 25, the 2 off 2 Herbal Essences, the 3 off 2 Garnier Fructis, the 3 off 2 Garnier Whole Blends, the 4 off 2 Colgate, and the 3 off 1 Bic razors. Your subtotal after coupons will be just $5.80 for 9 items, or just 64 cents each. And moving on into scenario number 4, you want to pick up 1 of the Dawn 40 fluid ounce dish soaps for $5, 1 of the Centrum Gummies for $6.30, 1 of the Centrum Energy Vitamins for $4.50, 1 of the Bic Simply Soleil razors for $3.30, 1 of the DG Health Ibuprofen 100 count for $2.50, 1 Airwick warmer for $1.65, 1 of the Folgers single 7 count for $1, and 1 of those Advil 6 count for $1. Your subtotal will be $25.25. And here are the coupons that you're going to need for this scenario. And here is your list of coupons. So you're going to make sure you have your 5 off 25, the 1 off 1 Dawn dish soap, the 4.50 off 1 Centrum vitamins, the 1.25 off 1 Centrum vitamins, the 3 off 1 Bic razors, the 1 off 1 DG Health ibuprofen, the 1.50 off 1 Airwick, the 1 off 1 Folgers, and the 2 off 1 Advil. Your subtotal after coupons will be just $5 for 8 items, or just 62 cents each. Now that is an awesome deal considering that very first item, that Dawn dish soap, is $5 all by itself. Alright guys, so for scenario number 5, you want to pick up 2 of the Poise pads or liners. They are on sale this week, 2 for $10. 2 of the Garnier Fructis shampoos or conditioners for $6. 3 of the Pantene travel size shampoos or conditioners for $4.50. 1 of the Bic Simply Soleil razors for $3.30, and 1 of the Febreze plug-ins for $3. Your subtotal will be $26.80. And here are the coupons that you're going to need for this scenario. And here is your list of coupons. So you're going to make sure you have your 5 off 25, the 5 off 2 Poise, the 3 off 2 Garnier Fructis, the 4 off 3 Pantene, the 3 off 1 Bic razors, and the 3 off 1 Febreze plug-in. Your subtotal after coupons will be just $3.80 for 9 items, or just 42 cents each. And again, that's a really awesome deal considering that very first product, those Poise pads or liners, are $5 each without any coupons whatsoever. Alright guys, so now it's time for the big finale, scenario number 6. This is our low out-of-pocket deal. For this one, you want to pick up 2 of the Herbal Essences Dry Shampoo Travel Size for $4, 3 of the Pantene Travel Size Shampoos or Conditioners for $4.50, 1 Febreze plug-in for $3, 1 of the Airwick warmers for $1.65, 1 of the Bic Simply Soleil razors for $3.30, 1 of the Folgers single 7 count for $1, 1 Advil 6 count for $1, 2 of the Mr. Clean Magic Eraser 3 count for $5, 1 of the Sargento Balanced Breaks for $1.25, and 1 of the St. Joseph's Aspirin for $2. Your subtotal will be $20.80. And here is your list of coupons. So you're going to make sure you have your 5 off 25, the 2 off 2 Herbal Essences, the 4 off 3 Pantene, the 3 off 1 Febreze plug-in, the 150 off 1 Airwick warmer, the 3 off 1 Bic razors, the 1 off 1 Folgers, the 2 off 1 Advil, the 2 off 2 Mr. Clean, the 1 off 1 Sargento, and the 1 off 1 St. Joseph's Aspirin. Your subtotal after coupons will be just $1.20 for 14 items, or just 8 cents each. Now, how awesome is that? And I do want to remind everyone, don't forget to scan your receipts into the Fetch Rewards app. You can earn points on the products that you've already purchased, and then you can turn those points into gift cards. So if you're not already signed up, like I always say, I highly recommend this, especially if you are new to couponing. My referral code is on the screen here, as well as in the description box below. If you use it, you will receive a free 2,000 points, which is the equivalent of $2. So definitely go and check it out. And since we just received the new P&G insert, I wanted to remind everyone about the pngoodeveryday.com website. There is a referral link down in the description box below if you want to go and check it out. That means for every P&G product that you purchased, if you scan your receipt into their website, you'll earn 50 points for every P&G product that you picked up. Now, there is a limit of 250 points per receipt, but those points do add up, and you can turn those points into gift cards, which means we're saving even more money on the back end. So definitely go check it out and sign up. Alright guys, that's it for me for now. I hope y'all enjoyed this video, and I hope it was helpful for you. Now, I do apologize, my voice is a little bit crackly. I've been kind of dealing with some allergies and all that good stuff, but you know, we're getting through it. So I hope you guys have a great day. Good luck with all of your deals tomorrow at Dollar General. Now, before you go, if you're not already subscribed, please consider doing so. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up button, because it's a free way that you can help my channel grow. And as always, if you have any questions, comments, deals you want to share, or if you just want to say hello, I love hearing from you guys, so please leave me a comment down below before you go. And also take a minute and share this video with somebody that you know so that they get in on these deals as well. Alright guys, thank you all so much for watching. I hope you guys have a great weekend, and I will see you on the next one.